Dun 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 dun. We are at Paycoke Station. We're gonna take it to BARRA Station, so we're going to check it all out. And that's it in Chinese. So let's follow it up, and we're gonna basically go up that way, and stay tuned for Paycoke Station 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So this is over on the other side is Galaxy. So we're going to be heading up that way. We're going to go directly over that direction. So stay tuned. And we got dun, 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 dun. We're going to go up this way. So we're going to go all the way down to BARRA Station in a moment. And do you have a Macau? Do you have one of these Macau passes? So we have to get some cash. So we're gonna do that in a minute. Looks like we have to wait 8 minutes for BARRA. So right there it says what we gotta do. BARRA, here we come. Okay, down that way is Venetian. And that's the way that the trains are going to come down this way, and then they're going to pick us up, and we're basically going to go down here. Paycoke, Stadium, Jockey Club, Ocean, BARRA. And those are all the ones we're going to miss. So it's going to come from the airport. And here comes the train coming in right here. So we're going to catch that coming in.
That's on the other side.
Yeah, but still we can capture it for their photographs. So we got a little bit of video action coming in. It's gonna be a nice video coming in right here. Slowly, 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 slowly. I'm here today with my daughter. And what are we going to do today?
We're going to be going on the train all the way to BARRA.
This way we go.
Yay!
If we get lucky, we'll be like those three people right there. They got the window seat, and they can just kind of see everything kind of coming and going. So we'll see if we can get one of those when our train comes in as well. There goes the train. Oh yeah. So I don't know if we'll be able to get our front spot, but we'll see what we can get anyways. Hello. So there's the main spot right there, so we'll just capture that real quick. So what do you think? So we're going to take it all the way to BARRA. So you got the beautiful views here on the train, got Galaxy to the left, and we're going to be going towards, I think, Ocean Gardens and then all the way to BARRA. That's the horse racing over there. And this is the next station. This is called Jockey Club Station. And you can see the Jockey Club. So this is a stadium, and then there's Jockey Club where they do horse racing right over there as well. And we're gonna start moving again. And we're gonna be going by Ocean Gardens. I think the next stop is Ocean Gardens. Ocean Gardens, yeah. So we got 2 more stops. And then to the left is the horse racing. And straight ahead is Tampa Central, which is a residential area. Tall apartments everywhere. Next stop is Ocean Gardens. It's a pretty cool video, right? Buildings. See those buildings across the way? They look really futuristic. That's on the Zhuhai side. There's a train. That's all in Zhuhai. Wow. Pretty cool. Okay, so this is Ocean Gardens. The next one's gonna be BARRA. Okay, so this is the last leg. We're gonna go follow a bridge, and we're gonna go to the latest station, which is BARRA station. And right up above us, you can see these kind of egg-shaped, alien egg shapes. Kind of interesting. And this is through the bridge. And what's interesting is you can see the road. So this road is for cars. That'll soon separate us, and they'll go up and we'll go down. And now we're underneath them, so all the cars are above us and we're underneath. And now we have this long tunnel for quite a while. So it'll stay like this all the way to BARRA. Okay, so we're heading to BARRA. So now we're underneath and we're underground. So our last stop is going to be the BARRA station. So we're going to see the entrance in a moment. Here it is right here. And this is going to be our exit right here, it looks like. BARRA. So we are going to come on out. And I think that says BARRA in Chinese, right? Let's kind of come over here. Now we're at BARRA. Right there. Very cool. So it's coming up to the station right here. We just came down from up that elevator. And now we're in this station is going to be here. So I guess we might as well walk out for a little bit, take a look around, and then we can go back. So it looks like we can go out either way, this way or that way. I've walked up there before, but I don't think I've seen this over here before. And that says BARRA up there. Oh, this is to go down into the train, so they're gonna go into the train, but we're gonna go out this way. So let's do that. Form up. 4 patakas. And then we're gonna come on out and show you that we're here. And we have made it to the BARRA station.
Yep.
Station BARRA. Very cool. And I guess that's gonna be it for this video.
Yep. Bye-bye. First shot.
Is that sunset? Wow.
You can't really see it though.
A little hard to see.
Yeah.
See a little bit, but you can also see it. So now we're in front of the roof garden here, and now we can see some of the changes. They've made this little promenade over here, so now that promenade looks like it's more fully developed, and you can overlook the water. And now we're on BARRA station, and this is I'll be right back. I'll just show this off a little bit. Macau Tower is right over there. Yeah, and you got this nice little rooftop up here. It's nice. Check out this bamboo. Some big bamboo trees right there. It looks like they got the bamboo trees planted throughout. Yeah, it's usually I don't see like really thick bamboo like that.
Like this one is kind of, you can see it kind of clearly.
Massive. All right, so this is all part of it's called the garden rooftop. So I guess it's a kind of a bamboo garden.
Yep, on top of the BARRA station.
Yeah, very cool. Okay. I gotta conclude it because now it's a little bit evening time. So we just kind of went up to Santiago. We checked that out up there. I didn't film it, but we have this bridge over here and we got the skyline right there. This type of skyline. So we're gonna get a few pictures here. And then we got over here is the financial district of the Zhuhai side as well. So you got some really nice views all the way around here. Then that's the bridge right there. So that bridge goes to Taipa and it's called Saipan Bridge. Macau Tower in the distance. Financial district. I'll do a quick 360. You can see the Hilton. There's a Hilton hotel over there on the Zhuhai China side. Very nice up here. Okay, this is our final view because I'm kind of got this other view on this other side now, up on this rooftop garden, and so there's a lot of kind of cool stuff up here. And overlook the harbor as well. That's the Zhuhai China side over there. Nice. And Macau Tower. Okay, and then we got a light. Oh, that's kind of interesting. So this is the whole view. This whole area. And then we have this little "I Love Macau" sign right over here too. So now we can see it at nighttime. Very cool. And then in conclusion, that's Peacock Station, and we can see Galaxy straight ahead, Parisian, Peacock Station, and we have the light show here. I guess we'll walk right inside. And that's the end of the video. More light show stuff, and we're in this little oh, there we go. Very cool. We're in this little area near Taipa Cathedral, and we got light show stuff. Grouping train station. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la movida.